Debonair. Okay.
What's good, y'all? Shout out to Notification Gang for hitting the like button. And if you didn't start yet, y'all the realest ones in it. I appreciate you anyway. Mr. Aaron has been doing his rounds on social media. He's been doing a lot of interviews as of recent. If I have a chance, we'll get to all of that. You know, whatever case may be. But let's get into this video, y'all, because I gotta hear this.
Just did me a favor by tapping in. I just want to give y'all a quick update, man. I don't appreciate anybody thinking this is a hoax. You know, today is one of the worst days of my life. Seriously, being a plumber and getting my license was one of my biggest life accomplishments, especially with the lifestyle that I used to indulge in. You know, with that being stripped away from me, I still have responsibilities to take care of. And I certainly can, and I am going to take care of them. My birthday, June 23rd on Sunday, man. We're going up in the section near you, so stay tuned for that. The t-shirts is dropping. We're getting the sizes, pre-orders, everything ready. I'm still trying to do humanitarian work. For those that are asking me, you know, telling me to start my own company, I wish I could. I don't feel comfortable with doing it where I'm at. You know, I can't post my location, my exact location where I'm at because of these videos blowing up. Now I got people approaching me left and right in the gyms, in public, in Walmart. I just don't feel comfortable with that. And I used to indulge, like I told y'all, in criminality. So I just don't want my location out there. So I don't think that's the best thing for me to do. I'm not worried about nobody trying to hurt me. If you think you're going to do something to me, I promise you got something coming. And moving forward, I don't know where I'm going to take this. You know, people are asking me to be a personal trainer. People are asking me to do content creating. I don't know, honestly, with all of this foolishness going on, this cloud chasing, you know, this has really affected me in a profound way. I have to close my lease. I'm going to be moving out of state. You know, that's like $3,800. My birthday, I spent $2,000 on my fit. That's not even including the section, the bottles, these t-shirt prints. I'm still doing humanitarian work. I'm about to go advocate with some at-risk youth right now. And I'm about to go meet up with a security team that we're trying to put together to assure my safety, because I have been getting threats, and it's just crazy. And
let me say this, man. This is the negative side of social media. I have received threats before. Nothing happened because of things that I've said on YouTube and Facebook, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Those are the negative sides of social media, let alone going viral in general. Viral in general. Those are the things, right? It happens. Unfortunately, I would imagine with him, it's probably my level, but times 100. You know what I mean? Let me say this really quick, y'all, before we continue. You know, these are the negative things, and the reason, and I said this before in my other video, the reason why I try to avoid those types of that subcategory of like YouTube or social media influencing and stuff like that is because I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with the nonsense. This man didn't say anything wrong in the Pop the Balloon show. I'm still confused at what he said and what he did wrong. All of this for what? Because the man said, yo, you did me a favor? Because the man said you're not qualified? Because the man told a woman that you got hair on your arms? What is happening right now? So, and I'm begging them, y'all boys, y'all have to pay attention. What is happening right now? So much to the point where a man can't even say, hey, listen, I don't find this woman attractive because of ABC 1, 2, 3. Let that have been the other way around. Women would have been shredding this man. I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like that. I've seen women go in on men on that show, on the same Arlette Amelia Pop the Balloon show, and those women never get the same damn treatment. This is the downside of doing this on social media. Fellas, I'm telling y'all boys, if this is what y'all want to do, not just the Pop the Balloon show, but just like these dating shows in general, if this is what y'all want to do, this is where y'all want to head to, y'all, this is what y'all have to deal with. What did he just say? Yo, I got to cancel my lease. I got to move out the state. It's not really going to help, bro. I mean, it may help out a little bit, but it's definitely not going to help out that much. Your face is out there. Everybody knows who you are. Everybody knows you by name. What did he say? Yo, listen, bro, I wish I could start my own business, but it's not that simple. He said, yo, I don't want to do it here. And I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to do it in my hometown either. I wouldn't want to do it outside. But again, that video has blown up so big. It doesn't matter where you move, sir. Somebody's going to recognize you. And that's the sad thing. This man said, yo, people approaching me at the gym, people coming at me at Walmart, people coming at me such and such. It doesn't matter. What you would do, honestly, bro, if you were my homie, I would have told you, bro, you just gotta sit and just let this blow over. Sit and let this blow over. That's what you gotta do, man. I mean, same thing. I said the same thing about Jonathan Major. They're not going to forget this for now. You got to sit down for. I said for Jonathan Major. This man got to sit down for at least a solid year, maybe two. But you definitely got to sit down. Him, I would say he got to sit down probably for about 3 months, give or take. He got to sit down for about 3 months until this blows or until the next viral Pop the Balloon moment. Let's keep going.
I know it's somebody close to me. So once we figure out who's doing all of this and who's, that will be addressed accordingly. But God bless y'all. It's a GoFundMe in my bio. The only reason why I'm putting a GoFundMe in my bio is because somebody in the comments stated that they would like to help. If you would like to help, you're not only helping me, but you're helping children as well. When I go to this center and start advocating with them, if I could get, if I could get permission from the parents to have them on camera and speak about, some of the things that we're doing and we've been doing and working on, then I would certainly do that for you as well. And I just appreciate everybody that's out there advocating for me, everybody that sees, who I truly am. I really appreciate y'all. I appreciate all the positivity. And those of y'all being negative, y'all are miserable. I literally sat here and watched. I got up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I went to sleep at midnight, and I seen people on the same post, the same person going back and forth with every comment. Get a life, man. Y'all are broke. That is why y'all stay broke. Get a life. Find something to do with yourself. You just did me a favor by tapping in. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, listen. My whole first of all, let me speak to him. If you are watching this, bro, I definitely would love to do an interview with you. So if you are watching, I doubt you are watching, but if you are watching, jump in the comment section, man, because I got questions, bro. I have questions. Let me say this, y'all. For him, keep doing your thing. Try not to address like the nonsense and the BS, because at the end of the day, you can't win on social media. You can hang that up. People come out here and say ABC 1 2 3 about me. It is what it is. All right, cool, bro. You got it. Like, whatever. Ignore them. Keep doing your thing. I wish you nothing but the best. Keep doing your humanitarian work. Keep doing your stuff with the at-risk kids. I love it. I mean, I deal with at-risk kids. I deal with students and stuff like that, often. So I get it. And trust me, it's not an easy thing. You know what I mean? It's very, very hard work. And I got nothing but love and respect for that, mainly because I'm in a similar field. So I get it. But sir, you gotta keep doing you, bro. Lay low for a few months, honestly, because it's not going to get any better anytime soon. You got to sit down for at least about a good 2-3 months, bro. Honestly, I want to say don't post on social media because you need to capitalize off of this and get that merch. He said he got a t-shirts and all the other stuff, Hey, yo, I gotta buy mine. You just did me a favor. I gotta buy mine. Big facts, man. But shout out to that brother there, man. Wishing him nothing but the best and continued success whenever he does decide to move. Well, he says he's packing and moving now. But whenever he does move, wishing him nothing but the best, man. I want y'all to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the video, man. Thanks for watching. Until next time, please, man, be safe, Erica.